back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is from the company Direct Interactions. They have 234 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.6 out of 5-star rating. Of course, their Glassdoor page and the application page are both linked down in the YouTube description box below this video. Direct Interactions is based out of Seattle. They operate multiple different contact centers staffed by American agents nationwide. They are hiring a customer service specialist. Now, this is remote for my United States folks only. They do have both part-time and full-time hours available. But they are looking for someone specifically to process unemployment insurance claims. You'll be answering incoming calls via computer software and assisting the customers. You'll be researching information in the database to resolve any customer issues they have with their unemployment claims. You'll operate accurately and efficiently in a fast-paced environment, and you may have to handle multiple responsibilities at one time. So you're gonna need to be a multitasker. Now, one good thing about this, they are going to give you paid training. Training is done virtually and will consist of virtual instructor-led and self-paced learning. The virtual instructor-led is going to be over like WebEx or Zoom. Now, as far as shifts available, they're looking for people to work at least 20 hours per week. They're open Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That is the operations for this client. They do require you to work 6 hours every Monday. Now, they are paying $15 an hour. This is a W-2 employee position, and they pay bi-weekly through direct deposit. Of course, you have to have your own computer set up. They list the specifications if you need to look at those. They currently do not accept Apple Mac computers. But if this sounds like something for you, they're hiring throughout the United States except for California and New York. As long as you are a self-starter, have a passion for providing outstanding customer service. Of course, you have to have great communication skills, the ability to remain calm under pressure, the ability to take back-to-back calls, great attention to detail, and you have to be able to use computer systems like Excel, Word, Outlook, all of those things, and they are going to require you to pass a criminal background check. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for in the comments, or if you have any feedback on things I could do differently, how I could make this channel better, these job leads more helpful for you, feel free to leave that down below as well, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.